Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you what we can find inside a Sony Betamax VCR and how much copper we can get out of one. The Sony Betamax is an iconic example of quality always prevails. In the 70s and 80s, Sony lost the war against VHS because it was much too expensive and it was incapable of recording videos longer than 1 hour. However, in the professional market, in broadcasting, in advertising, the VHS had no chance due to the bad quality of its video and audio. On the other hand, Sony Betamax was the king in that market. Furthermore, well into the century, it was still in use in broadcasting, despite CDs and DVDs were already leading the market. It was only until 2016 that Sony decided to stop producing videotapes, 13 years after manufacturing its last Betamax player. On the long run, Betamax won the war, 40 years after it started. For that reason, if you find a Betamax, don't scrap it. Put it on a shelf, surround it with flags, and light a candle next to it. And occasionally rub it with your fingers and ask for a wish. The long-lasting quality of many old appliances manufactured with high-quality parts and pieces is the reason why many scrappers say these products have better value in them. Let's see if that is true with this high-quality product. This is the first time I take apart a Betamax, and it's been quite of a surprise because inside the Betamax there are some very nice motors. Electric motors built like this. They have many quite heavy cone-shaped copper coils. I don't know how much they weigh, but we'll see that later. It has 4 motors like these, and they also have some really nice magnets, very similar in size and strength with those magnets we can find in microwaves. These magnets are good for squashing fingers, for breaking bones, so we must be very careful while handling these magnets. But they are great magnets. Okay, here we have all I got out of the Betamax. First, I'll weigh the aluminum. 424 grams of aluminum. Now the brass. There is a bit more brass here, but I'll just make an estimate. 58 grams of brass. And the copper. $173 grams of copper. And if we add the copper in these transformers, maybe we have about 180, 190 grams of copper. And we also have these great magnets. And another 2 big magnets that cracked when trying to get them out. But they still might be useful for something. Additionally, we have these switches that also have rolls of copper inside them. That might bring the copper to a grand total of 200 grams, 50 grams of brass and 424 grams of aluminum. With these results and the current price of metals, it is very little value we can get out of a Betamax. However, the electronic switches, motors and electronic components can be a treasure if you are into electronics, because they might be of high quality. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click on the bell, share it with all of the world, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.